Wow. So dito kami dadaan sa likod ng bahay. Oh. Puting-puti. Puting-puti ang kapaligiran. It's covered again with snow?
Yeah. It's still coming down. It's going to come down all day.
All day?
Pretty much. So hot I can't breathe. A mess. I mean, I've seen more snow than this, but this is just coming very fast. I always said the last week in February and the last week in January and the first week in February is when we get the best chance of snow.
I like though. It's good for taking picture.
Yeah, snowstorm. Oh, there are all the cars.
Careful.
This is a car rental place, honey, right here.
I guess I don't have idea.
Yogi.
Honey, I'm cold. What is wrong?
Oh, it's your blood. Look at you dressed very.
I dress very warm.
I used to do that.
What?
What they're doing? I used to do it.
What they're doing?
Do
Honey?
the snow. I used to do the snow removal. I used to come. But I'm too old now, so they won't probably let me do it. I was only in my 40s when I did it. When I first met you. I made good money, but it was all under the table.
You did? Make money?
I made good money. Well, back then I did. So when are you going to your other job? Tonight?
Yeah, tonight.
Okay. I got our breakfast all there, ready to...
We're riding a
We're in the plane.
plane.
Getting ready for takeoff.
Ready for takeoff.